In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change personal PayPal to business account. If you're selling products or services, or you simply want access to professional tools like invoicing and checkout buttons, upgrading your personal PayPal to a business account is a smart move. It unlocks features designed for merchants while keeping your money in one familiar place. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common snags. Start by going to the PayPal website and signing into your personal account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. On most screens, this is the small gear icon, usually in the top corner. Think of this area as your control center. It's where you manage everything from your profile details to account type and preferences. Inside settings, look for the option to upgrade your account. You should see something labeled Upgrade to a Business Account. Click that. Depending on your region and interface, the wording or placement might vary slightly, but it will be clearly associated with changing your account type. If it isn't visible right away, make sure you're in the account section of settings and that you're signed in to the correct profile. After you click to upgrade, PayPal will guide you through a short onboarding flow. This is where you'll provide details about your business. You'll typically be asked for your business type, such as sole proprietor or company, your business name as it should appear to customers, your contact information, and your business address. You may also be asked about your product or service category and your estimated monthly sales. Enter everything accurately and make sure it matches your official records. Consistency helps prevent verification delays. If you don't have a website, that's usually fine. Many sellers start without one. If you're using a trading name that differs from your legal name, ensure it's correct and recognizable to your customers to reduce disputes and chargebacks. As you proceed, PayPal may request identity or tax-related information to meet compliance requirements. This is normal. Provide what's asked, review the summary screen, and confirm. In most cases, the upgrade is completed quickly, and you'll see new business tools appear in your dashboard. Once upgraded, take a moment to review your business profile and payment preferences. Set your default currency and familiarize yourself with fees associated with receiving payments. That way, you'll know exactly what to expect when money comes in. And that's it. You've successfully changed your personal PayPal to a business account.